Good evening, everyone. I invite Gurvinder sir to conduct the session.
Hello everyone. Hope all of you have done the yesterday's question that I had given you. It was really simple, right? Everyone? It was a really simple question that I had given you yesterday. So I hope all of you have done it. So today we'll be discussing about the double sigma operator and a few questions related to double sigma or multiple sigma. So does any one of you remember a question in which we had used the double sigma operator? Anyone remembers the question in which we had used double sigma? Okay, so let us just do a question directly. Okay, so okay, or let me call it J. Fine. Everyone knows what is meant by the double sigma. So for the ones who don't know, just remember this question. Everyone remembers this question? We
Yes,
had
sir.
done this question, right? So in this question, it was basically 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on, right? So it was being represented like this with a double sigma operator. So the same thing we are doing, we are taking this question over here. So see, what is happening is your I is going from 1 to 10. Your J inside your I, so just treat it as an inside bracket. So inside this, your J is going from 1 to 10. Okay. And it is I square plus J square. So just taking out one sigma at a time. So you keep the outer sigma as it is. So it is sigma I goes from 1 to 10. Okay. And then whatever you have inside this sigma, you try to write it in the expanded form first. Can you help me write this inner sigma in the expanded form? So J is going from 1 to 10 and I will remain as it is. I will remain as it is. So it will be I square plus 1 square. Okay. Plus I square plus 2 square plus I square plus 3 square. So on till I square plus 10 square. Right, everyone? This is how we can expand the inner sigma. Let me see who all are present today. Vignesh, Bhavna, Gayatri, Varshini, Bhaskar. Did you understand how we got from this to this?
Yes,
What are we
sir.
doing here? We are expanding the inner sigma. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how do we expand the inner sigma? When we expand our inner sigma, so what is the variable of our inner sigma? The variable of our inner summation. What is it?
Yes.
J,
J.
right? So when we are adding with respect to J, our I will remain constant. It will remain as it is, right? I
Yes,
had told
sir.
you that thing. Okay, so it will go like this. So it will be basically sigma of I is going from 1 to 10. Okay. And what is this bracket? It is 10I square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so on till 10 square, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is the value of this thing over here? What is the value of this thing? 1 square plus 2 square, so on till 10 square. What is the value of that thing?
N into n plus 1 into 2, n plus 1 by 6.
Okay. So will it be in terms of n or will it have a constant value?
Constant value, sir.
Ah,
Sir, how
so
you get
in place of n, I will put 10. So 10 into 11 into 21 whole by 6.
Sir,
Right? Yes.
how you get 10i square, sir? Can you explain?
How I got 10i square. See, there are total 10 brackets. Okay. See, when I'm expanding it, I'm getting total 10 terms. The first term is I square plus 1 square. The second term is I square plus 2 square. Third term is I square plus 3 square. So on till I square plus 10 square. Okay. From these 10 terms, I am taking out I square. Okay. From each of these terms. So how many I square will I get?
10i square.
And the second terms 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So help me calculate the value of this thing over here. 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. Can you help me calculate the value? How much? You are not audible. Can you repeat? The value of this thing. Vignesh, your voice is very low. Can anyone else help me? What is the value of this thing? 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. 385. Okay. Assuming that you are correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
this thing becomes sigma I from 1 to 10, 10i square plus 385. Right? Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now, is it very easy? So it becomes sigma 10 times sigma I square plus sigma 385. I is going from 1 to 10 in both the cases. Right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So what is this thing? The first sum. It is really easy. We have calculated it earlier. So it is directly 350, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
have calculated it here, so you can just easily. And what is the second term? The second term is also really simple.
So
Anyone?
it is
Second term. Tell. Vignesh, Gayatri,
3.
Bhavna.
Sir,
How much?
385.
385, sure.
Yes, sir.
No. See, I is going from 1 to 10. Bhavna, Ashrita, you will tell this time. Or Preeti. Yes,
Sir,
correct.
3850.
Yes, it will be 3850. Correct. It will be 3850 because I is going from 1 to 10. So this will get multiplied by 10. Correct. So my
Yes.
final answer will be 7700. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right, everyone? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So has everyone understood what is meant by this double sigma? How to operate this double sigma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo फिर. Let us do some tougher problems. Just a minute. Chalo. So now this time a little bit. Fine. Got the question, everyone?
Sir, two variables.
Two sigmas, so two variables. Previous also we had two variables only, I and j. This time also we have two variables only.
Yes, sir.
Any issues? So tell me, how should we solve it? So see, whenever they give you something like this, so just form a mind map, okay? Form a mind map. Form something like this, okay? Separate out the two sigmas. One sigma, just think that one sigma is inside the other sigma. It will be easier to solve if you think it like this. Now think. Now think. See, it is sigma I is going from 1 to n. Now, can you help me calculate what is inside it? It is little bit difficult, but not very difficult.
So one
I,
nine
sir.
What is it? Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I, sir.
I,
yes.
sure.
Yes.
See, what will happen inside? Okay, what is happening is, okay, wait. See, it is sigma j is going from 1 to I, 1. What is this thing? What is this thing basically? How do you take sigma of a constant? How do you take sigma of a constant?
1 into I,
Constant
sir.
will
It will be 1 into I, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
1 into I is what? It is I only, na?
I. Yes, sir.
I, sir.
So it will be I, correct? What was there so difficult? What, everyone? It will be I, because we are
Yes.
adding 1 from 1 to I. So what will happen? It is really simple, right?
Yeah, sir.
Keep on substituting the values of I, and the limits are from 1 to I only, and it is a constant value, so it is really easy to add, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So tell me, what is sigma of 1 to n of I? What is it?
N into n
Summation
plus
of
1.
1 to n.
N into n plus 2.
natural
2,
number.
N into n
sir.
plus 2.
N plus
into
2
n
by
plus
2.
2. N into n plus 2 by 2.
By 2, yeah, sir.
N into n plus 2.
No, sir.
N
N into n plus.
into n plus by 2 by 2.
N into n plus 1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
It will be n into n plus 1. Vignesh,
Yes, sir.
it is 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on till n, na? Sum of first n natural numbers. So why will it be n into n plus 2? It will be n into n plus 1 only. Sum of first n natural numbers. Okay? Okay. I hope like you understood your mistakes. Okay. So let us increase the variable and look how it works. So the question is, sigma I is going from 1 to n. Inside that, sigma j is going from 1 to I. Inside that, sigma k is going from 1 to j. 1. Okay. We need to find the sum of this thing. Okay. Three sigmas, 3 variables. So just make a mind map. That mind map that I had told you. This thing, this thing. Okay. Same with different color I can show you. This thing, this thing. So we will start from the innermost bracket, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We will
sir.
start from the
Yes.
innermost bracket. So the innermost bracket, I have sigma k is going from 1 to j 1. So what is this value? What is this value? K is
J, sir.
going from 1 to j. J.
Yes, sir.
Correct. J, right? So this thing basically becomes sigma I from 1 to n, sigma j from 1 to I, j. Now think. Now what about this bracket?
The I
Do I know
into I
sigma?
plus 1.
Correct. Okay, correct. Has everyone understood this? It will be I
Yes, sir.
into I plus 1 by 2.
By 2.
Sir.
Vignesh, why
Yes,
do
sir.
you make this mistake every time?
No, sir.
Like
Here,
you always.
sir.
Okay.
Signal is.
Okay, no worries. Okay. Acha, okay. Not an issue. Okay. Correct? It will be I into I plus 1 by 2 because it is the sum of first I natural numbers. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Great.
Sigma I equals to 1 by n I equals to.
Okay. So, correct. So it will be sigma I is going from 1 to n, and this inside bracket is now I into I plus 1 by 2. Now you tell me, how do we take the sigma? Navneet, how do we take the sigma of this thing?
Sigma equals to 1 by n, sir.
1 by n. Why will it be
Sir,
1 by
in the
n?
place, I
1 by 2 common.
So I can
Correct. 1 by 2 common.
Yes, sir.
substitute.
It will be sigma
Sigma
of I square
I
plus
square
sigma of
plus
I.
sigma of I.
Right? So how
Yes,
do you
sir.
evaluate this thing? So what is it? Tell me. What is the sigma of I square from 1 to n?
Sum of squares of first n natural numbers, sir.
Tell the direct formula. Tell the direct formula. Tell me the direct formula.
N into so
Mm-hmm.
n into n plus
Tell.
1
1 into
Ah.
2n plus 1 by
plus
6.
1.
By 6.
By 6.
Yes,
Plus,
sir.
what about this?
So n into n plus 1 by 2, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
But still, yes.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Right? So this is your final sigma. Okay. This is your final sigma. Vignesh, did you do yesterday's homework?
No, sir.
Anyone who has done? Gayatri, Bhavna, Navneet, Bhaskar, Ashrita, Varshini. No one. Yeah, I had specially mentioned to do that question. Yeah, it was really important. I don't know why you did not do. That is why I had specially mentioned to you yesterday that you, yeah, okay. Make sure to do it today. It was a really important question. Okay, fine. So yes, this is correct. So of this summation, this is the correct evaluation. Okay. Okay. Moving ahead, we have sigma j is going from 1 to infinity. Sigma k is going from 1 to infinity. 1 by a raised to j plus k, where mod a is greater than 1. Fine. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
चलो अंडरस्टूड है तो फिर बताओ फिर कैसे करना है.
Sir, in place of infinity, we can take n, sir.
In place of infinity you can take n.
Yeah.
Why you can take n? Like if it has given me an upper bound, so why would I take n? Why would I take a constant value or a variable? It has given me infinite. There is a reason it has given me infinite. Let us see why the reason is. So see, again, make this mind map first. It will be easier to solve. So this thing is basically sigma j is going from 1 till infinity. And can you tell me what the inside series is? What will be the inside series? Anyone?
Sigma k equals to 1.
1
Hey,
by
I am.
8 plus 1, sir.
Correct.
1
1 by a raised to j plus 1 plus 1 by a raised to j plus 2
2. Yes,
plus
sir.
1 by a raised to j plus 3. So on. How many terms?
Infinity, sir.
Till
Infinity.
infinity. Correct. So what is this? What is this series? What is this series? Anyone?
GP.
Which GP? Which GP? Array, infinite GP.
Infinite.
What is the formula for sum of infinite GP?
A by 1 minus r, sir.
Correct. So what is the A and R in this case? What is the first term and the common ratio in this case? First term is
1
really
by
easy to
A.
guess.
Yes,
1
sir.
by A.
A
1 by
raised to
A.
3. 1.
Correct. What is the R? What is the R?
1 by
Think. What is the R? Common ratio.
1 by j plus 1.
No, wrong. Can anyone else tell me? Let me see. Bhaskar, Gayatri,
A raised to j plus 2 by
So A to the power 1.
A to the power
Sir,
1. हाँ,
a raised to j plus 2 by a raised to j
हाँ.
plus 1, sir.
Okay, so what is that? Give me the final value, na? Give me the final value. Anyone else? Let me see. Ashrita, Gayatri, what is the common ratio of this series?
1 by A, sir.
Correct. See, one of you guys had told me this, that it is a raised to j plus 1 by a raised to j plus 2. Yes, you are correct. So it can be written as a raised to j into a by a raised to j into a square. So it will be 1 by a only, na? I wanted to get the final term. You did not give me the final term. Okay, 1 by a is correct. Absolutely correct. So now tell me, what is the sum of this series now? A by 1 minus r, right?
yes.
Yes, sir.
So a by 1 minus r, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me its value. So it will be sigma j will go from 1 till infinity. It will be a by a raised to j plus 1 divided by a minus 1, right? This
Yes,
I
sir.
wrote it like I this sent this a up, so it became something like this. So now this a and a can get cancelled. So it will be sigma j will go from 1 till infinity, 1 by a minus 1 into 1 by a raised to j, right? Now, will you be able to take the sum of this thing? Can we take the sum of this thing? This. How will we do that? Anyone?
sir, is it infinity? No, sir, no, sir. Wait a minute, sir.
Infinity कैसे होगा यार? कैसे होगा? Okay, see, I can take 1 by 1 a minus 1 common, right? I can take this common because it is a constant. A is a constant value. So it will be
Yes, sir.
sigma j will go from 1 to infinity, 1 by a raised to j, right? Now, can you help me evaluate this series? What is this series? So it is 1 by a minus 1 into. Now help me evaluate what is this series. Help me write the series first.
1 by
Can you
A,
help me? Right. 1 by a plus
1 by
1 by j,
A2, sir. A
a2,
raised
a
to 2.
square.
1 by
1 by
Then 1
A3,
by
1 by
a
a
cube,
cube,
1
so
by
on.
up
so
to
on.
Correct. So what is this? Up to how many terms?
Infinity.
infinity.
Infinite terms. Correct. So infinite terms means, what does it mean? Infinite terms. Infinite
Sum of,
GP, right?
yes, sir.
It means infinite GP. So that means again you would
Infinity.
need to use that formula. Which formula will you use?
A by 1 minus R.
Correct. So now what is the A and R in this case?
A 1
1
by
by
A
By A,
Ah,
sir.
1 by
and
A is
R.
the first term. R, what
Yes, sir.
about R?
Yes, sir.
What is
A
common
1 by
ratio?
A, sir. 1 by A, sir.
Correct. Both are 1 by A. So it is 1 by A minus 1 into A, that is 1 by A, by 1 minus R, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I would need to make my calculations a little bit. So it will be 1 by A minus 1 by A. So A and A got
Yes.
cancelled. So it is 1 by A minus 1 whole squared, right? 1 by A
Yes.
minus 1 whole squared. Okay. Just increasing its degree by 1. So now what is happening is I have sigma I is going from 1 to infinity. Sigma. J is going from 1 to infinity. Sigma. K is going from 1 to infinity. And I have 1 by a raised to I plus j plus k. Fine? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understood, na question? Chalo, batao fir. Tell fast. So again, make the mind map first in order to make the question a little bit easy for you. Okay, so that you can visualize it. And I had asked all of you, please, from like there are only 1 or 2 more classes remaining of this chapter, so please come revised with that limits derivatives. Okay. So now tell me, green, blue, and red, which bracket will we be solving first?
Blue, sir.
Blue.
Correct. Okay. We'll be solving blue first. Correct. So it is sigma of k is going from 1 to infinity, 1 by a raised to I plus j plus k.
1.
Right?
1, sir.
1. Like you are telling me the final answer?
No, sir.
The final summation. Okay. Can you help me find the series? This series. What is this series?
1 by
A to the
a
power
raised
of
to I plus j plus k. 1, sir.
1,
J
1,
plus
1,
1
sir.
plus 1 by a
1
raised to
by
I
a
plus j
raised to
plus
I plus j plus 2.
and so on up to
Yes,
infinite
sir.
terms. Right? So do you know what is the series of this sum? What is the sum of this series? What is the sum of this series?
Infinite GP.
Infinite GP, a by 1 minus r, right? So it's
Yes,
a
sir.
is the first term. It's a is the first term. And 1 minus r, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Has everyone understood why it's r is 1 minus, it's r is 1 by a?
Yes, sir.
Its common ratio is 1 by a. Okay. So its value will be 1 by a minus 1 into 1 by a raised to I plus j. Fine. Got till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So my first bracket has been solved successfully. So sigma I is going from 1 to infinity. Sigma j is going from 1 to infinity. Fine. I is going from 1 to infinity. J is going from 1 to infinity.
So
And
then
what
you
will
get why how
sorry?
you get 1 by a minus 1 into
Okay, see. I got this thing, okay? Okay.
yes, sir.
So it is 1 by a raised to I plus j plus 1 divided by a minus 1, and I can send that a up, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is happening in the denominator? It is a raised to I plus j plus 1. So this plus 1 I will remove from here, and I can give a multiplied by a over here, right? So this a and a can get cancelled. So it will be 1 by a minus 1 into this thing. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. So it is 1 by a minus 1 into 1 by a raised to I plus j. Okay. Now tell me. Now. अब क्या करेंगे? क्या
The
करेंगे बताओ?
constant क्या है?
Correct. सबसे पहले like I would need to solve this thing ना first.
Yes, sir.
This sigma. So चलो इसको हाँ. So yes, correct. So it will be 1 by a minus 1 sigma
Into
j is going from 1 to infinity 1 by a raised to I plus j. Right?
yes, sir.
So now can you help me evaluate it? This thing? Can you help
Yes,
me
sir.
first find the series? So it is 1 by a
1
raised to
by
I plus 1
a raised to I plus 1.
plus 1 by a raised to
I plus 2.
plus 1 by a raised to I plus 3 and so on up to infinite.
So up to infinity.
So what, Navneet, what is the sum of this series?
1 by a, sir.
1 by a? No. It is not 1 by A. Gayatri,
A by 1.
A by 1 minus R. And what is the A and R of this series?
A is 1 by A power 1 plus 1. I plus 1.
Correct. Okay. 1 by A raised to I plus 1. Correct. And what
Yeah.
is the R?
1 by A.
Correct. So it will basically be 1 by 1 minus A into 1 by A raised to I.
Yes, sir.
So this thing might sum becomes sigma I goes from 1 till infinity. Now tell me, what will this thing become now? What will I write here? What will I write here?
1 by A minus
1 by
1
A
by A,
minus
1 into 1 by
A. 1 by
1 by A
A
raised
A
to I.
power I.
for I.
Everyone feels this is correct?
Sir, here
Vignesh?
constant is left now, sir.
Correct. So it will be A minus 1 square.
Yes,
Why it
sir.
will be A minus 1 square? Because there was a 1 by A minus 1 here also, na? You
Yes.
forgot that. It will be A minus 1 square. So this thing, my final answer will be 1 by, everyone got it, right? There was a 1 by A minus 1 outside also. We did not take that. 1 by A minus 1 sigma. I is going from 1 to infinity. 1 by A raised to I. I again know the sum of this thing. This thing, its sum will be again 1 by A minus I only. So it is, no, okay, just a minute. Just a minute. So see, it is sigma I is going from 1 till infinity, 1 by A raised to I. So this series is 1 by A plus 1 by A square and so on. Right? Everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this? What is the sum of this series? It is 1 by A, that is A by 1 minus R. Right?
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 1 by A minus 1. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my final answer. What will be my final answer?
1 by A minus 1 whole square into 1 by A minus 1.
Minus 1. Correct. So what is that?
Sum
1 by
1 by
A
A
minus
minus
1 whole square into
uh,
1 by A minus 1.
So what is this thing equal to?
into
Uh,
1.
so what is
1
this thing?
by
Like
A minus 1.
whole cube, right?
Whole cube.
Yes, sir.
This is what I was asking. Fine, everyone? Okay. Yes, this is correct. And it can also be written as A minus 1 to the power of minus 3. So actually in the option, it was something like this. Great.
सर
Yes, Navneet.
एक डाउट है सर ये 1 by
बिल्कुल.
अभी आंसर बताओ सर आंसर
आंसर.
1 by A minus 1 whole cube रिया तो इधर into 1 by A minus 1 रिया तो इधर 1 by A minus whole 4 लिख सकते हैं सर
4 क्यों लिखेंगे? It will be cube, na? It is A minus 1 square. This thing is A minus 1. So it will be A minus 1 cube, right? X square into X. So it becomes X cube. Okay?
okay sir okay
Okay. So I guess just 1 or 2 more problems left of double sigma. Then we will be moving ahead. Okay. So one very important question, or rather say very calculative question. We have sigma k is going from 1 to n. Okay. Sigma m is going from 1 to k, m squared. Okay. And it is asking me, so this whole thing, can you tell me when I get my final answer, I will get my final answer in which variable? Just tell me this thing. I will get my final answer in which variable? Which variable will be my final answer?
M cube.
Yes, sir.
No, no.
N variable, sir.
Huh?
N variable.
N.
N, sir. N.
My final answer will be in n, right? Because my outermost bound is in n. So my final answer will also be in n. Correct? So it is asking
Yes,
me.
sir.
So the question is basically trying to say that the final function that you get, it will be something like this: an raised to 4 plus bn cube plus cn square plus dn plus e. Fine. Fine. I will get my final answer in terms of n, something like this. So it is now asking me to find a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Okay. Got everyone? Understood the question? See, first of all, I will find the summation of this thing. Okay. I would find the summation of this thing. I can find the summation of this thing. After that, I get the answer, and the answer will be in this form. And I need to compare the coefficients and tell the value of a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Okay. So could you help me find this thing? So sigma k is going from 1 to n. Sigma m is going from 1 to k, and we have m square. So we solve this bracket first, everyone. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
So what is this bracket equal to? Sigma m square, where m is going from 1 to k. What is this thing equal to?
Sum of squares of natural number.
Sums of squares of natural number. Or how many? How many natural numbers?
K.
K,
K.
correct.
Up to
So
k,
what will
sir.
be my final? What will be my final expression? K into k
K
plus
into k
1
plus 1
into
into
2k
2k
plus 1
plus
1 by 6.
by
2.
6 by 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So sigma k will go from 1 to n, k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 whole by 6. Can I open this bracket and evaluate the terms? Can I do that? So yes, I can do that.
Yes, sir.
So it will be sigma k will go from 1 to n. It will be k square plus k. So 1 by 6 can be taken out common. K square plus k into 2k plus 1. So it is
Yes.
कौन आ गया यार?
ये कौन आ गया कि?
So it is 2k cube plus k square plus 2k square. So that is 3k square and then plus k, right? Right, everyone? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
correct? Everyone has understood? Navneet?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, great. So now, how would you evaluate this thing? How will you evaluate? Tell me, how will we evaluate? You can you will split the terms and then add up the constants, right? That is what you will do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1 by 6 into 2 times of 2 times sigma of k cube. So it will be 2n square into n plus 1 square by 4 plus 3 into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n plus 1 by 2. This is what you will do. Right, everyone? Are tell something. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
It is correct. So now what is the next step you will follow? You will open all these brackets and compare it to A, B, C, D, and then find out the value of A, B, C, D, E, and then add these values, right? That is what you will do. Correct,
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone feels that this is the method to solve this question. Everyone. You will open all these brackets, n square, n plus 1 whole square, and then these 3 brackets, this 2 bracket at the last. You will open all these brackets. then you will get the coefficient of n raised to 4, n cube, n square, n, and the constant. You will compare these values with a, b, c, d, e, and then you will get the values of a, b, c, d, e, and then you can add these values to get your final answer. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. नहीं करना, यही बता रहा था, नहीं करना ये. See how long it is. You really think this question is solvable in 2 minutes?
No,
Is this question solvable in 2 minutes? How much time do you have in JE
1 hour.
per question? Hey, per question.
1 second.
1 second.
1 to 2
You have
minutes.
somewhere around 2 minutes.
1 to
right?
3
You have
minutes.
somewhere around 2 to
5 minutes,
2.5
sir.
minutes. So यार 5 मिनट में भी नहीं होगा ये. 5 minutes में भी नहीं होगा. So
Keku sir.
चलो.
Directly substitute.
हाँ, yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Your name?
Gayatri, sir.
Correct. See, just look at the question again, okay? So ये था hard work. लेकिन अभी नवनीत सर ने हमको एक मंत्र दिया था ना, चीन टपाक डम डम, तो उससे अपने पास है बिग ब्रेन. ओके, बिग ब्रेन क्या करेगा? व्हाट विल बिग ब्रेन डू? He will look at the question clearly.
Smart work.
See, I have yes. So sigma k is going from 1 to n. Inside that, sigma m is going from 1 to k, right? M square.
Yes, sir.
And this value is equal to a n raised to 4 plus b n square plus c n, b n cube plus c n square plus d n plus e. This is what you have? This is what you have?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will happen if you substitute n as 1? What will be my right hand side if I substitute n as 1? I substitute the value of n as 1. What will happen?
A power 4.
A plus B plus B plus C plus.
Ah,
A power 4.
no. Why will it be a power 4? It is really into n raised
No,
to 1.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Ah, that is why smart work. You actually did not need to solve everything. So now tell me, it is sigma k will go from 1 to 1. Sigma m will go from 1 to k m square. Okay. Now just tell me, what will be my inside bracket? What will be my this inside bracket? Sigma m is going from 1 to k m square. What will it be?
1, sir.
It will be 1, correct. But why will it be 1? You have thought correct. Now just tell me.
1, sir.
See, the issue is k is going from 1 to 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if k is, see, whenever I have a limit, something like n is going from 1 to 1. So what does it mean? The upper limit and lower limit both are same. What does that thing mean? Vignesh, what will happen?
Only one only.
Yes. It has only one value. Okay. So my k value is directly equal to 1 because it is going from 1 to 1 only. Upper bound and lower bound both are same. It will start from 1. It will end at 1. So it has only one value, 1. So my k value is already 1. Now I can directly enter my inside bracket. So sigma m is going from 1 to k. K is also 1. So m square. What is this thing now? What is this thing?
1, sir.
1, sir.
1, sir.
डायरेक्टली देखो यार, 2 स्टेप में आंसर हो गया. कहाँ तुम लोग पूरा प्रोसेस कर रहे थे? Got it?
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir, एक बार second step explain करो, sir.
हाँ, yes. See, what is happening? I am substituting n as equal to 1. So my right hand side is already a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Okay. And my left hand side, I have substituted n as 1. So k is going from 1 to 1. Okay. So just not confusing you. See, I hope some of you have got confused with this thing. So see, sigma k will go from 1 to 1. Okay. And then we have sigma inside. M will go from 1 to k to m square. Right? So now can you
Yes,
help
sir.
me solve this inside bracket first? So it will be sigma k is going from 1 to 1. So what is the sum of sums of squares of first k natural numbers? It is k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now your k is going from 1 to 1. So what value of k should I be putting inside? What values of k can I put inside this thing?
1, sir.
1
1 by
Hmm.
k. 1 by k.
1 by k यार. नवनीत भाई इतना गलत कैसे आंसर दे रहा है?
1 into 2
Only
into 3,
one.
sir.
Yes, correct. Like you mean that the value of k is 1. That is what you mean.
Yes, sir.
And
No, sir.
1 is the only
No,
possible value.
k value is 1. Yes.
That is what I'm saying. The only value of k that can be inserted is 1. So I can insert 1. 1 into 2 into 3 by 6 plus. And when I go to the second term, my limit has already been crossed. So I won't be having any second value. This is the only value that will be in my summation. What is this value equal to? 1.
1.
Right? 2 into 3 by 6. It is 1. This is my final answer. देखो कितना इजी कर दिया. यहाँ जाते तो थोड़ी होता. If you had solved like this, I am sure you would not have been able to do this. See, because opening these brackets up, n square into n plus 1 whole square, and then comparing the coefficients, then adding the coefficients, like it would have been really long. Right? Okay. So let me check. Okay, so we have just a small time left. Great. So today I'll be starting with a very small series.
So is the final answer 1?
1. Yes. Final answer is 1. A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 1. You can check it if you wish to.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So what happens in harmonic progression is if A1, A2, A3, so on, up to AN are in harmonic progression, it means that 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, 1 by AN are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Inverted, reciprocal. It is a reciprocal of arithmetic progression. Okay, you take AP. Just a minute. You take AP and then you just invert all these values. Okay, so for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, like these. These are in AP, right? So this would mean that 1 by 1, 1 by 2,
1 by 2.
1 by 3, 1 by 4. This series is in, sorry, not GP, it is in HP, harmonic progression.
HP.
Harmonic progression, right?
Sir.
Okay. So like it is really simple and it has got nothing to do with. So just one small thing to deal with it. Harmonic mean. Okay. So I'm assuming that A, B, C are 3 numbers in harmonic progression. So I would need to find the relation between these 3 numbers. Can I do this? Harmonic
Yes.
progression means the
Reciprocal of
reciprocal of each of these
Reciprocal of-
are in arithmetic progression. Okay, that is what it means. So see, I am assuming that A, B, C, 3 numbers are in harmonic progression. So that would mean that 1 by A 1 by B, 1 by C are in? Tell me. If A, B, C are in, अरे यार,
AP.
हाँ,
AP.
अरे यार, HP तो ये A, B, C are already in HP. So 1 by
AP.
A, 1 by B, हाँ, yes, correct. So if 1 by A, 1 by B, and 1 by C are in AP, what does that mean? Can I establish a relationship between A, B, and C? Yes, right? I can say that 1 by B minus 1 by A is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by B. Can I say this? Common difference.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
भाई,
Yes, sir.
AP, हाँ. So basically 2 by B, right? 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. So this thing is
Yes.
equal to A plus C by AC. So basically my B is equal to 2AC by A plus C. This is my formula for harmonic mean of two numbers. Okay. Everyone.
Okay.
So how you get 1 by B minus 1 by A is equals to 1 by C minus 1.
See. 1 by A, 1 by B, and 1 by C are in arithmetic progression. Okay. So if they are in arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive terms is same. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So that is why 1 by B minus 1 by A is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by B. That is how it comes. So this is what we call harmonic mean. Okay. So just very small problem. So we have an HP whose 20th term is equal to, whose 20th term is 1 and 30th term is minus 1 by 17. Fine. So it is asking me
Yes,
the
sir.
20th term. Sorry, the 19th term. Fine. Easy, right? See, again, the same thing.
Yeah.
A1, A2, A3, all these are in HP, right?
HP.
These are the terms in HP. What will that mean? उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It means that 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by
Are
A3,
in AP, sir.
correct.
AP.
They are in AP, right? What is the formula for nth term of an AP? Nth term of
Is
AP.
equal
plus
to
D.
A plus A minus 1 into D.
A
1
plus
by
A
A
minus
plus
1
N minus
into
1
D.
into D.
Correct. So that means my 20th term, my 1 by 20th term. So basically my 1 by A20 is equal to 1 by A1
1.
plus N minus 1 into D. D, where I'm taking D is the common difference of this AP, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I say this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
What about
Yes,
my
sir.
this also? So I can say my 1 by A30th term, my 1 by 30th term is equal to 1 by A1 plus 29D. Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is 1 by A20? 1 by A20 is 1, right? 1 by 1.
Sir.
And what is this value? What is this value? 1 by A30.
Minus
What is 1 by
17.
A30?
Minus 1.
Minus 17. Correct.
Minus
So
1
we
by
have,
7.
so what do we do? We have two equations and two unknowns. Can
Subtract.
we solve now? Yes. So I can
Yeah.
do 1 minus 2. So when I do 1 minus 2, I have minus D is equal to 18.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Minus D is equal to 18. So my D becomes minus how much? 9 by 5.
Yes, sir. 9 by 5.
Yes,
My
sir.
D is minus 9 by 5. So if I know my D, do I know my A1 also now? Right? My 1 by A1 is equal to 1 minus 19D. So 1 by A1 is equal to 1 minus 19 into minus 9 by 5. Right, everyone? Are speak something.
A20, no, sir.
Sorry?
So how can you take the 1 minus 19?
Array, use the first equation, bhai. See, look at the first equation. What is it? 1 by A1
Okay,
plus
sir. Okay, sir.
19D is 1, right? So I'm taking 19D on that side. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is 1 plus 19 into 9. What is 19 into 9? 171 by 5. So 176 by 5,
Five.
right? And this value is my 1 by A1. Okay. Now I have got my 1 by A1 and my D also. And it is asking me to calculate the 19th term. Tell me, how should I calculate my 19th term?
1 by A1 plus 18.
1 by A19. 1 by
Yes.
A19 is equal to 1 by A1 plus
Plus
18 times of D.
8.
Right?
Yes, sir.
See, my 1 by A is in AP. So I can just directly take the values. So it is 176 by 5 plus 18 into minus 9 by 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can calculate the value. And I have to report my 19th value of HP. So what do I do next? I have to report
Reciprocal.
the value. Yes, correct. I can take the reciprocal because I have to report A19, not 1 by A9. So just take the reciprocal after you get this. Okay. So actually the question was asking something little more complex. The question was asking me to find the largest term.
So 5 and 4.
Sorry? Any issue?
So
Mm-hmm. Tell. Okay, so see, what is happening is 1 by A1,
so
1 by
say,
A2.
uh,
Your voice is not clear. Can you write in the
5
chat box?
and
विघ्नेश चैट बॉक्स में लिख
14.
Vignesh, your voice is not clear. So see, yeah, what is happening? This thing is in AP. Okay. Acha, you are telling me the value. Okay. Okay. No worries. Okay. See, I did not check the value. You can do the calculation on your own. So see, what is happening is 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, so on till 1 by AN. These are in AP. I know the value of 1 by A1 and I know the common difference. I know that 1 by A1 is equal to, how much is 1 by A1? 176 by 5. And I know that the common difference is minus 9 by 5. So can you tell me 1 by AN is equal to 1 by A1 plus N minus 1 into D, right? So it will be
Yes.
equal to 176 by 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is minus 9 by 5. Right, everyone? So this is my value
Yes,
of 1
sir.
by AN. So now can you tell me what is the value of AN? What will be my nth term? So we would need to substitute a little bit. So it is 176 yeah, plus 9 into 1 minus n. So plus 9 minus 9n, right? Plus 9 minus 9n. Just a little bit calculation. Whole divided by 5. So it is equal to 185 minus 9n whole divided by 5. So my nth term of my HP, nth term of my HP is 5 by 185 minus 9n. And now it is asking me what is the largest term? What is the largest value? What is the largest value of this thing, of my HP? When, can you tell me when is this thing the largest? Anyone? I want to make this number as large as possible. How can I do that? I have 5 by 185 minus 9n. When can this number be largest? Be
5
anyone?
by 185 by minus 9n.
When is this number large? When is this does this number grow in value? See, numerator is constant. Okay, numerator is constant 5. So what should I do to the denominator to make this value higher? Think.
So,
Bolo.
is it correct A1 equal to 5 by 185 minus 91?
See, just here, listen to my question clearly. Listen to my
Minus
question. You have 5 divided by 185 minus 9n. Okay. Your numerator is constant. What should you do to your denominator to make your whole value larger? Should you reduce your denominator or should you increase your denominator?
Reduce, sir.
Correct.
Reduce.
Reduce up to what? Like
One,
up
sir.
to what value should you reduce?
One, sir.
1.
Okay. What will happen if it grows lesser than 1?
Minus. Negative.
Correct. So see, what is happening is my n is only natural numbers. Okay. My n is only natural number. N denotes the number of terms. Okay. So basically, I have to make my 185 minus 9n minimum. But it has to remain positive also. Because if it grows negative, my whole value will go negative. So it won't grow. So 185 minus 9n should be minimum. When is that possible? Should be minimum positive. When is that thing possible? You can just try.
N is equals to 20, sir.
Correct. N is equal to 20. So it will be 185 minus 9 into 20. So that is 5. Okay. You can check at 19, it will be lesser than this. At 21, it will grow negative. The value will grow negative. So yes, correct. N is equal to 20 is correct. Correct. So my AN. Yes.
Can you check the chat
Ask.
box? Sir?
Just a minute.
Sir, यहाँ
Vignesh. 9n. Sorry, not Vignesh. Okay. Bhavna, 9n is 186. If your 9n becomes 186, so it will be 5 divided by minus 1. So this whole value will be minus 5. So it will become negative. So how will that be a larger number? Vignesh, now ask your doubt. N minus 1 into minus 9 by 5 is equal to... Okay, so what will you do with this? Like, ask your doubt. You can ask. Your voice is clear now.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I understood. Yeah, replace the terms.
Okay,
Yeah, sir.
Okay. See, you need to increase this value. Okay. 5 by 185 minus 9n. You need to increase its value. So what will you do? Simple. You will decrease its denominator. But you will only decrease its denominator till the point it remains positive. The moment it turns negative, things go against you. Because it will now start going into the negative side. So now it will not be larger. So that is why n is equal to 20 is the last value where this remains positive and is lowest. That is why n is equal to 20 is the final answer. So n is equal to 20. So my value of an is 1. And this is the maximum value possible in this series. Okay. Fine. That's it. So just one homework question I will be giving you in the this PDF only. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, please end the class.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Students, join the next session.
Okay, sir.